What do you think? Good? First deep snow, December 15th, 2013. First real snow for Raleigh to play, and last year didn't count. Oh, dear. Oh, no.
Oh, no.
What happened?
I don't know.
Oh, dear.
I go with the box.
We can't play in the sandbox in the winter time. In the winter time, we play with snow, not sand. Can you eat some snow? Is it cold? Yes? Yes. Keep your mittens on. Otherwise your hands will get very, very cold. No, we can't play in the sandbox. It's all covered with snow. We can't get to it.
No. Go back again.
Come back again? Can you walk?
You walk.
Wow! Looks like crawling works, though. You're gonna jump? You're gonna slide or you're gonna jump? Good job. Good. Nice job.
What's that?
I hear a plane.
I hear the plane. I can see it.
You can see it?
No.
No? Did you look up in the air? I think it's too cloudy today.
It's too cloudy.
No sandbox until the snow goes away.
It goes away.
Yep, when the snow goes away, then we can play in the sandbox again. It's gonna be a while, though. We've got Christmas, then your birthday, then Martin Luther King Day, and
I go back here.
you're doing a great job.
I go down. Cause come.
Hey, look at Mommy.
And say,
Oh! What happened?
I don't know. Mommy, up you. That's who.
Are you stuck?
Mommy, get up.
Roll over.
Whatever. I can.
Sure you can. You can do it. There you go. Good job. You did it. We're going to have to go get the sled soon
Yeah.
so we can go down the hill.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go back in the more. Zoom. With that tomato. Pop. Get tight again. Hi. Who's that?
The wind chimes. Oh, your mittens came out of your coat, huh? Try to keep them on, okay?